Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start with stance and cheek weld for stable aiming every time. Maintain consistent cheek pressure and head position against the stock for the same sight picture. Align the rear sight notch evenly around the front post so you see equal light on both sides. Focus on the front sight post and allow the target and rear sight to blur. Verify zero and fundamentals at 25 meters or 50 yards to confirm your initial point of aim and alignment. Establish a consistent sight picture with the front post centered on the target. Place the top of the front post where you want the bullet to impact vertically. Center the post horizontally by aligning equal light on both sides within the rear sight notch. Keep your eyes focused sharply on the front post while the target and rear sight remain slightly blurred. Use small controlled movements of the front sight to correct windage and elevation before squeezing the trigger. Coordinate a smooth, progressive trigger press while keeping the front sight centered and focused. Avoid breaking cheek weld or moving your head during the trigger press to preserve alignment. Keep breathing controlled and exhale slightly before the final trigger movement for stability. Maintain sight picture through recoil and perform deliberate follow-through until the sights return to alignment. After a string of shots, check impacts at the target and adjust rear sight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.